told you the secret to healthier plants might be hiding in your kitchen. Yes, I'm talking about sugar. Some say it's a miracle for soil, while others warn it's a disaster waiting to happen. But what's the real story? Can sugar actually help your plants grow? Stick around because the answer might surprise you. Hey there, fellow green thumbs! If you're like me, you're always looking for new, creative ways to boost your garden's health. Recently, I stumbled across something intriguing. People are using sugar as fertilizer. At first, it sounded ridiculous. But the more I looked into it, the more I realized this idea has some science behind it. So, in this video, we'll uncover whether sugar can truly help your plants thrive or if it's just another gardening myth. Let's get into it! Here's where things get interesting. Most of us think plants might benefit directly from sugar because we associate it with energy and growth. After all, plants make sugar during photosynthesis, right? But here's the problem: adding sugar to your garden might do more harm than good if you don't understand how it works. In fact, one big misconception is that more sugar equals faster plant growth. Unfortunately, dumping sugar into the soil can lead to pests, fungus, and even nutrient blockages. So, how can sugar be used effectively in gardening? That's what we're here to explore. When sugar is added in the right amounts, it becomes food not for plants, but for beneficial microbes in the soil. These microbes play a vital role in breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients, and improving the soil's overall health. Think of them as soil's workforce, and sugar as their fuel. For example, studies have shown that sprinkling small amounts of sugar on soil can encourage the growth of these microbes, which indirectly helps plants access the nutrients they need. And this is important, overdoing it can disrupt the soil's natural balance. Too much sugar can attract pests like ants, cause root rot, or lead to fungal growth that can suffocate your plants. Sugar works best when combined with organic compost or other natural fertilizers. The compost provides essential nutrients, and the sugar helps kickstart microbial activity, creating a win-win situation for your soil and plants. So, what's the verdict? Does sugar really fertilize plants? The answer is yes, kind of. Sugar doesn't act as a direct fertilizer like nitrogen or potassium. Instead, it acts as a soil enhancer. When used sparingly and wisely, sugar can support the ecosystem beneath your plants, promoting healthier growth indirectly. However, it's not a magical solution. Use it as a supplement, not a replacement for proper soil care and nutrition. Studies and real-life experiments confirm that sugar can be a game changer in certain scenarios, but only if you respect the balance of your garden's ecosystem. To sum it up, sugar is like a double-edged sword in gardening. It can boost microbial activity and improve soil health when used correctly, but it can also backfire if overused. Curious? Start with a small experiment. Mix a teaspoon of sugar into a gallon of water and use it on a test plant. Observe the results and tweak as needed. Gardening is all about learning, experimenting, and finding what works best for you and your plants. And who knows? Sugar might just become your garden's secret weapon. What do you think? Have you tried using sugar in your garden before? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your results. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for more gardening hacks and tips. Let's grow together, literally. See you in the next one.